welcome to Tej Tech Solutions. Today we will see about how to sign in the media selling platform and how to log in and work the selling platform. So friends, if you are visiting first time this channel, please subscribe to channel so that all the updates you will receive immediately in your mobile. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So let us go to our topic today. So this is the official website of MEDS. So you need to go to the website link is amadeusvista.com. So to open the Amadeus selling platform, you need to enter this website name. See here, http://amadeusvista.com/ enter that website name and enter. Then your display will system response will show you like this. This is the Amadeus official selling platform website. So after that, you will be able to see here launch Amadeus selling platform. The left side, launch Amadeus selling. Click on that. You can able to see here selling platform 6.1. So that selling platform will be opened after clicking on that. So click on for sign in, launch Amadeus selling platform. See here. After that, you will get screen to sign in. The sign in codes we have to enter here. So this is the codes. For example, this is examples only, friends. So the system will show you like this. You need to enter like this. After that, entering, I will show you how these codes and all this about these clarifications. Sign in. See here. This is the common mandatory entry to sign in Amadeus. Sign in into the product mode JI or JJ. JJ is training mode, product mode is JI. So product, usually we will use product mode only. So to enter that, JI is the example to sign in mandatory codes. JI, whatever, JI is the mandatory element of Amadeus, then your code and your initial. Then GS means duty code. So I will explain you about duty codes. See here, duty codes will come like that only. AS is agent sale. This is for travel agents only. C is customer engineer. This is for only the Amadeus official. GS also general sales agent. This is also official Amadeus. PD pre-post deposit agent. So these type of codes will be using the Amadeus platform. And also SU. SU is the supervising code. So that code will be, see here, I am showing here over here. See, this is the agent sign in for something example show you here screen. /SU showing office ID so and so. So like that it will come. You need to go to the accordingly as per format only. So I am repeating the entry. JI is the transaction code of Amadeus. 2345XY is the agent sign in. GS/GS is the duty code. So after duty code means you will also get some duty code, that is ASR, GS. Usually we'll get ASR, SU. So that way both will be mentioned over here. So format is JI slash your JI continuing your agent sign in, then slash, then your duty code as per this. So entering that, you will be asking to enter the password. So after that you enter password, whatever your password, you will get the display of the selling platform. Then you will be able to work for itinerary or options or pricing, whatever it is. So after signing, you can able to work continually. So and other option also are here to sign in. There is a multiple entries to sign in. See here, signing option, sign in entry to the first available area. So there is a area, so because some Amadeus will be show work on a there is according to the areas like A, B, C, like A, B, C, F, call a areas. So here it's showing available area, sign in entry to the first available area, JI so and so, then duty code, sign in to work area A, JI A. So this is for only work area A, JI A, and sign code, then your duty code. Sign to the multiple areas. If you want to sign into the multiple areas, then multiple area means I told you that like A, B, C, Y. For example, JI, then A slash B slash F, then your sign in, then slash duty code. So over the here examples also given here. So sometimes we will sign in with password also. In single entry we can able to sign in. Over here the example JI, your sign in, then slash G, yes, that is your duty code, hyphen your password. Whatever you have your password, then you enter password. Then you will get totally into your sign. So these are multiple entries to sign in the areas, and display the work areas. If you want to see your work areas where you are working, A or B or multiple areas, all the information you will get by entering this JD. To redisplay the sign in message, JB. So sign in to the practice training. Practice trainings will be JJ. They sign in, then slash your duty code. Sign out the current active area. If you want to sign out the area what you are working, from there enter then JO, or enter the specific area JOB. So JO is the mandate entry, and specific area if you want to enter the A or B or F, whatever it is, and sign out for multiple work areas with the same agent. This is the entry for that. Okay, sign out for work areas, JO star. If you want sign out for all work areas, JO star, then enter, so that you will be sign out from the all work areas. So this is the entries to signing in Amadeus, friends. So the information is very, very useful to you. I think you understand this. So if you understand, please like this video, subscribe to channel for more interesting and videos. Thank you for watching video.